Have you ever felt like you're running on a financial treadmill, giving your all but getting nowhere? Like no matter how hard you try, money just slips through your fingers? You look back and realize, no one in your family ever built wealth. No one taught you the way. And then a question hits you. Am I going to repeat the same cycle? But what if I told you that change begins with you? That it's possible to break this pattern of scarcity, even if you started from zero. This video is for you, someone who comes from humble beginnings, who feels like the odds are stacked against you, but still believes you can turn the game around. Here, you'll discover real strategies to escape survival mode and start building wealth. No magic formulas, no illusions. Just raw, practical truth about how to transform your financial life from the ground up. And by the end, you'll walk away with a clear and doable plan. So I ask you, are you ready to be the first in your family to build financial freedom? Then stay with me till the end, because this might be the turning point of your story. Before we talk about money, we need to talk about mindset. You know why? Because you can have access to the best opportunities, the best tools. But if your mind is still trapped in the thinking you learned growing up, you'll sabotage everything. Scarcity isn't just about lacking money. It's a mental system. It's that urge to spend your whole paycheck the moment it hits because it's not going to be enough anyway. It's the belief that investing is only for the rich, or that starting a business is too risky for people like us. When you grow up hearing that money is hard, that the world is unfair, that surviving is all you can hope for, that becomes your inner truth. And without realizing it, you end up repeating the same patterns you've seen your whole life. That's why the first step is understanding that scarcity is a program. And like any program, it can be replaced. What you need is to update your mind's operating system. It begins with awareness. Observe your automatic behaviors with money. Notice the phrases you keep repeating, the fears that hold you back. Then start questioning everything. Is what you believe really true, or just emotional inheritance? True financial transformation begins in the mind. It determines how you earn, spend, invest, and grow. Changing your mindset isn't self-help talk. It's a basic need if you want to create a new reality. Have you noticed how hard it is to grow financially when everything around you screams that it's impossible? Family saying just get a steady job and stop dreaming. Friends who laugh when you talk about investing. A neighborhood where no one ever owned a business. It's like rowing against an invisible current. But here's the hard, necessary truth. If you want to break the cycle of scarcity, you'll have to do things differently from everyone else. And doing things differently often means feeling alone. At first it'll hurt. You'll feel out of place. People will think you're arrogant for spending less. They'll think you're full of yourself when you talk about growing. But you're not. You're just breaking a pattern that's been repeated for generations. And yes, it's scary, because no one taught you this path. But that's exactly why your step is so important. You are the link between your family's past and their future. You are the breaking point. And even if no one understands it now, one day they'll look at you as the one who started it all. Your sacrifice today is the foundation of tomorrow's abundance. Don't expect understanding, expect resistance. But keep going. Every financially conscious decision you make removes a brick from the wall of scarcity and adds one to the foundation of your freedom. Now let's get practical. How do you build wealth from zero? First, understand what wealth really means. It's not just having lots of money. It's about freedom. It's about choice. It's about having time, health, peace, and security. And for that, you need 3 pillars: earn income, grow income, and protect income. Earning income can start with what you already know how to do. Don't underestimate your skills. People start selling desserts in jars, cutting hair at home, running thrift stores on Instagram. The secret is turning skills into solutions, and solutions into income. From there, you begin to grow that income through investing. And here's where another myth comes in. Many people think investing is only for those who already have a lot. Wrong. You can start with 30 Rs a month. What matters is the habit, not the amount. Invest in assets, not in appearances. Protect your income through education. Learn about finance, compound interest, what assets and liabilities are. Read books, watch videos, take free courses. What separates those who live just to pay bills from those who live freely is applied knowledge. And remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It's more important to walk in the right direction than to run without purpose. To prove it's possible, let me tell you Lucas's story. He started earning minimum wage, working as a stock clerk at a supermarket. He lived in a simple home with his mom and 2 siblings. He always heard things like, money doesn't grow on trees, and just paying the bills is already a blessing. But one day, he listened to a podcast about financial independence. It sparked something inside. He started studying finance in his free time, stopped wasting money, saved a little, and opened a small cell phone accessories shop in his neighborhood. At first, sales were slow, but he reinvested every cent. Later, he learned how to import and sell online. Today, at 30 years old, Lucas has 3 sources of income, invests every month, and is buying his first rental property. His family? They learned from him. His younger brother opened a barbershop. His mom started selling natural products. It all began with a mindset shift. And it can start with you too. There's a voice that speaks to you every day. It tells you who you are, what you deserve, how far you can go. And often that voice isn't even yours. It is made of all the phrases you heard growing up. Money is dirty. Rich people are dishonest. That life isn't for people like us. These ideas create a destructive inner dialogue, and the problem is, you act according to what you believe about yourself. If you believe you'll never escape poverty, you'll make small decisions, accept little, and run from growth. That's why one of the most powerful strategies is reprogramming that voice. How? Start by observing. When you think, this is too hard for me, switch to, I don't know how yet, but I can learn. When you think, I can't afford this, ask, what can I do to earn this? Language shapes the brain. Changing your internal vocabulary is like changing the lens through which you see the world. And this isn't feel-good talk, it's neuroscience. Your brain believes what you repeat. Repeating growth thoughts creates real connections that move you into action. With each new positive affirmation, you build a stronger, more confident, and prosperous identity. Never underestimate the power of what you say to yourself. A lot of people give up on building wealth because it all seems too far away, too big, too impossible. But the truth is, transformation starts with small wins. The first time you save $10 and don't spend it. The first sale of something you created. The first time you say no to impulse spending. These little victories are massive because they prove to your mind that yes, you are in control. Think of your financial life like pushing a stopped car. At first, the effort is huge and the car doesn't budge, but with consistency, it starts to move. Every small win is a lever that helps you gain momentum. So celebrate every step forward. Take note. Celebrate. Acknowledge your effort. It fuels your motivation and gives you the energy to keep going. Don't wait until financial independence to feel like a winner. You're already winning when you stop living on autopilot, when you refuse to repeat patterns, when you invest in yourself, even without immediate results. Every step matters. And if you look back, you'll see you're not where you used to be. Small wins build up into big achievements. That's the invisible math of progress. There is one thing that separates people who transform their lives from those who just dream about it: consistency. It's not talent, IQ, or luck. It's doing what needs to be done even when you don't feel like it. It's saving money even when it's a small amount. It's studying even when you're tired. It's staying focused when no one's watching. Wealth is built behind the scenes. People only see the result: the new house, the paid-off car, the growing investments. But what makes it all possible are the invisible habits, the ones you repeat day after day, silently. And here's the powerful part: the more you repeat them, the easier they get. Discipline becomes routine, routine becomes identity, and you start living in automatic mode, but the kind that builds, not destroys. That's the opposite of the scarcity cycle, where the automatic mode is spending, self-sabotage, and falling behind. When you change what you do every day, you change who you are. And staying consistent is easier when you're clear on your why. Why do you want to escape scarcity? Who are you building this for? Hold on to that reason as your fuel. And remember, results might take time, but the impact of consistency shows up inside you from day one. One of the most powerful ways to reinforce what you're learning is to teach it. That doesn't mean becoming a coach or expert. Just share what you're discovering with someone. A friend, a sibling, your mom, your partner. When you explain something, you strengthen it in yourself, and you expand the impact of what you're doing. Imagine being the first person in your family to talk about investing. That alone makes you an invisible leader. Without realizing it, you become an example. And the best part is, when you teach, you commit more. You become the person who walks the talk. That creates positive accountability. And little by little, you're not just changing your own story, you're influencing the transformation of those around you. That's how cycles truly change. It's not just one person prospering, it's a new culture being born. You stop being a product of your history and start becoming the author of it. So share, talk about what you're reading, post what you're learning, invite people to grow with you. Spreading knowledge is spreading power. Scarcity often traps us in the present. The question on our minds is, how do I survive this month? But building wealth requires a different kind of vision, a long-term vision. It's not about forgetting the present, but changing how you see it. When you have a clear picture of the future you want, financial freedom, time with your family, the power to choose where and how you live, the present gains new meaning. Sacrifices no longer feel like losses, they become investments. Today's choices become your strength. That delivery meal you didn't order, a piece of your future, those 2 hours you spent studying instead of binge watching, part of your success story. The secret is to visualize so clearly where you want to go that every step you take today has purpose. Grab a piece of paper and describe your ideal life in 10 years. Where do you live? How much do you earn? What do you do? Who do you share it with? That's your compass. And whenever you feel discouraged, go back to that paper. It'll remind you, the life you want won't fall from the sky, but it can be built, and it starts now. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell for more content. See you in the next video.